Namaste, I'm Dr. Vinod from Ayushkama Rishikesh, India. So today I'm going to explain you what is Ayurveda. So Ayurveda is a traditional Indian system of medicine, and what the meaning of this word, Ayur means life and Veda is science, is a life science, is a life philosophy. So Ayurveda is a traditional Indian system of medicines and is an ancient science. It's a 5,000-year-old history about Ayurveda. So it's a philosophy also, and it's a healing system also. So it's a holistic approach of Ayurveda. Now, what is the aim of Ayurveda? What is the aim of Ayurveda? So in Ayurveda, they explain very easily about aim of Ayurveda. In Sanskrit, they explain swasthasya swastharakshanam aturasya vikara parsamancha. Swasthasya swastharakshanam aturasya vikara parsamancha. So, what the meaning of these two lines? What the meaning of this sloka? Swasthasya swastharakshanam, maintain the health in a healthy person. If a person is healthy, how to become healthy always? How to live healthy and longer? So, if we follow Ayurveda lifestyle, Ayurveda routines, we can balance ourselves. Or is for sick person also. If somebody is sick, how to cure a disease? To find out the imbalance of dosha, we have to find out the cause. So Ayurveda for healthy person also, and Ayurveda for sick person also. How we can use Ayurveda in our daily routine? So Ayurveda is a lifestyle. So according to Ayurveda, what should be the daily routine? Dinacharya. So a person should try to wake up early in the morning, around 1 hour before sunrise. Then drink water. We can drink water in a copper vessels, like fill up the copper vessel or copper mug overnight and drink this water. Then brush your teeth. We can use some herbs or plant like neem, babool or herbal powder to brush your teeth. Then clean your tongue to take out the toxins from your body. You can use copper tongue cleaner. Then oil pulling, you can use sesame oil or coconut oil for oil pulling. It's very good for detox, very good for the oral hygiene. Then nasal cleansing, so we can use sesame oil or almond oil, 2 drops in each nostril. It's very good to improve your breath, improve your prana. Then ear cleaning, we can use sesame oil or mustard oil, 1 drop in each ear. We can try, it's very good for hearing. Then eye cleaning, to improve vision, we can use Triphala water or regular water to clean your eyes to improve vision. Then do yoga, some physical activity. Then self-massage. A person should do everyday massage to improve circulation, to clean the toxins, to make the toxins soft according to Ayurveda. Then take shower, and after shower, breathing technique, pranayama, mantra chanting, meditation. Then time for breakfast according to Ayurveda around 8 to 9 o'clock. Then lunch 12 to 1 o'clock. Dinner around 6 to 7 o'clock. Dinner should be early. It's easy to digest. If you are going for late dinner, it's hard to digest, then toxins start to form in your body. And time for sleep according to Ayurveda is around 9 to 10 o'clock. Before go to the bed, wash your feet. You can do some feet massage or head massage, and then do some kind of light meditation, yoga nidra, and then go for sleep. So this is the simple Ayurveda routine we can use in our daily routine to balance ourselves. Now, how we can correlate Ayurveda and yoga together? What the connection of Ayurveda and yoga? So Ayurveda and yoga both are philosophy. Origin of Ayurveda and yoga from Veda. That's why both are philosophy. So Ayurveda is a life science, and yoga is a union of soul to the supreme soul. So what the definition of life according to Ayurveda and yoga? Life is a combination of mind, combination of body, and combination of soul. So if you would like to balance your mind, follow yoga. So in yoga all the time we talk about like how we can balance our mind. If you balance your mind, you can control your senses. Then for body, for physical balance, use Ayurveda. What kind of food is good, what kind of lifestyle is good, how you can clean your body, how you can detox yourself. So if you combine Ayurveda and yoga together, we can achieve the goal of life. The goal of life is to make connection with the divinity or make connection soul to the supreme soul. So simple, like if you are mind side healthy, you are physically healthy. And if you are physically healthy, you are mind side healthy. So health is the balance of mind and body, because if you are balanced with the mind and body, then you can achieve the goal of life. So if you follow Ayurveda and yoga together, you can achieve goal of Ayurveda and yoga. So this is for Ayurveda. Thanks very much. Namaste. Hari Om.